In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Cash App account in the Philippines. Now, doing this process is a little bit time consuming and can be a little bit complex, and in my opinion, at this point, it's better to use a Cash App alternative. However, if you're firm on getting Cash App in the Philippines, here is what I would recommend that you guys try. So, I would recommend that you first start off by getting a VPN. You will need to download a reliable VPN service such as ExpressVPN in order to mask your IP address and make it appear as though you're in the United States or the United Kingdom. So once you have your VPN, you need to connect to a United States or United Kingdom server before opening the app and beginning the process. And on top of that, you will need to get a virtual phone number. So you will need a virtual phone number service like Google Voice, TextNow, or Burner to get a United States or United Kingdom phone number for the phone number verification. So you want to be cautious because some virtual phone numbers may not work and using them could violate Cash App's terms and services. And obviously, instead of linking a United States bank account, you would link something like Wise or Mercury, for example, which you could then use in order to fund your accounts or in order to get money. So again, just making a Cash App account in the Philippines is such like a challenge in my opinion. And as I mentioned previously, honestly, I think it's better off just going to another Cash App alternative that does work in the Philippines. And there's many other options out there, but basically you will go ahead and download the application and it will walk you through the entire process. It will ask you for your full name, your address, your date of birth, and your social security number. Now, obviously, you most likely don't have a social security number, but you don't actually need to put it in order to use Cash App. So without social security number verification, accounts are limited to sending $250 per week and receiving $1,000 per month. So it is a little bit limited. So guys, just keep that in mind before you attempt to make a Cash App account in the Philippines. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.